Hello everybody, this is Judy coming to you from my backyard. We had an ice storm here Wednesday night and we lost electricity, and we come back on today, Saturday at 1 o'clock, but we got another storm coming our way. And I don't know if you all can tell anything about the ice. That's the table on the porch, that deck rather. The chairs, they're froze to the deck. Can't be moved. And we did have the generator up. This is my car. Charles had to go out today and get gas for the generator, and it come on while he was electric come on while he was gone. And I wanted to show you my tree in my front yard, my mimosa tree. You can see the trees across the road, electric lines. I'll show you my mimosa tree. Look at my mimosa tree, y'all. And we got more ice coming, they said, and possibly a foot of snow. So we know the electric will go off again. We know that for a fact, because it always does here. And yeah, our neighbor's dogs. Everything. Frozen. Let it, let it go, let it go, let it go. Frozen, yeah. Everything is covered in ice. I just thought I would show you our winter wonderland today. Well, we have electric, and I can put this up on the internet, maybe, hopefully. Because without electric, we have nothing. You can hear the trees breaking in the woods. I don't know if you heard that or not. But you can hear the limbs and the trees breaking. Back there. There it is. I don't know if you can see that or not. That tree just as it starts up that hill over there. If you can see where that has just broke off. I didn't know if you heard that or not. But it broke off. Horses are in the barn, in shelter. It's a scary thing hearing the trees all break like that and fall. Well, you all, that's all I'm going to show you for right now. See our dog down there? There's a heat lamp in his house. Yeah, he's got a heat lamp in there. My brother-in-law, his horses are in the barn too. I want to thank you all for watching. Hugs to you from me, and God bless.